I'm Tess, and today I'm making some Asian Cabbage Spring Rolls. If you're looking for a healthy light lunch or an appetizer idea, this is the recipe. Stay tuned. I love spring rolls, and this Asian Cabbage Spring Roll recipe is a twist on your traditional spring rolls. These cabbage spring rolls are served cold and can be served as an appetizer for brunch or lunch. What is really nice is that you can prep everything ahead and assemble when you are ready. I am using the ingredients I have on hand, but you can add the vegetables and seasonings that you like. I am using napa cabbage for the rolls, but you can use regular cabbage as well. Just remember to take out the bottom part of the vein as it tends to be a little tough. The napa cabbage leaves come off nicely from the head. I'm blanching the leaves for about 1 to 2 minutes and then putting them in a cold water bath to stop the cooking and keep them a bright color. I have a couple more things to prepare before we make the cabbage spring rolls. I have the chicken filling and the sauces to make. I also have some rice vermicelli noodles that I cooked according to the package instructions, rinsed, drained, and refrigerated. For the chicken, in a pan on medium-high heat, I'm adding in some sesame oil and lots of minced garlic and ginger, cooking and stirring for about 20 seconds, and then adding in my ground chicken. This is some boneless chicken breasts that I roughly ground in my food processor, cooking and stirring for about 4 to 5 minutes or until no longer pink. Adding in some diced onions and about 3 chopped red chili peppers for some heat, and this is optional. Stirring and cooking for a couple minutes. This is hoisin sauce and I'm adding in a good 2 to 3 tablespoons. You can add to your taste. Hoisin sauce is like an Asian barbecue sauce. Cooking and stirring for a couple minutes and then removing from the heat, letting it completely cool and then refrigerate. I'm making 2 dipping sauces for the cabbage spring rolls. The first one is a typical Asian peanut sauce. I have some creamy peanut butter and I'm adding in some soy sauce, honey, and a little sesame oil, giving that a good stir until nice and creamy. You can smooth this out to the consistency that you like by adding more soy sauce. For the second sauce, I'm making a spicy garlic Asian sauce. I'm starting with a little water and adding in some light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and you can substitute with some rice wine vinegar, minced garlic and ginger, honey for some sweetness, a little sesame oil, some chopped green onions and red chilies, giving that a good stir to combine. I have everything prepped, cold, and ready, and we are ready to make these delicious Asian cabbage spring rolls. First, I'm spooning on some of the chicken mixture. The chicken is full of flavor with the sesame oil, the garlic and ginger, and a little spicy from the red chilies. Next is the vermicelli. This comes in all different sizes, and I'm using about a medium-sized vermicelli. Now I'm adding in some cucumbers and carrots for some crunch, giving that a roll and making it as tight as I can. If using regular cabbage, the leaves are big enough that you can tuck in the sides. And that is my Asian cabbage spring roll. They can be a little messy, but they are good. You could hold them together with a toothpick if you wish. When making these cabbage spring rolls, you can use the meat and vegetables of your choice, or keep it totally vegetarian. Shrimp would be really good, and add in some spinach and basil leaves. Make it your own. I hope you give these Asian cabbage spring rolls a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!